It's the Lozzie and Sozzie show! Hello, boys and girls!
Hi everyone, hi Loz!
Hi, Sozzie.
How are you?
Yeah, good, good.
Oh, remember that day we had on the beach, wasn't it good?
Yeah, it was fun.
The one where we went to pirates.
It's scary then.
I know, it was good fun though. We couldn't go on a beach now though, look at the weather!
I just like the ice cream.
What's it called?
We're going to open the castle toy box.
Come on then! What's in the castle toy box there? Let's have a look and play. What's the music called? What is it? What is it?
What is that?
Well, we've got some pegs that you peg your washing out with.
Well, I've done my washing this morning.
And you could peg it out because it's rainy. And we've got some pens.
What's that, salt and pepper?
What's supposed to do with that? Somebody's talk. Come on, pen. You got to do the rhyme.
Knock,
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 knock, who's at the door? Let's go and see. Knock, 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 who's at the door? Who could it be? Come on then. Who's this now? Ah! Oh! You scared me to death!
Stop being wet round the ears. Right, where are these pegs?
What do you mean, pegs?
I've been told that you've got pegs.
Captain Crow, what do you need pegs for?
Right, I'll tell you once. My peg lady, she's gone to Penzance on vacation. Very rude. Well, anyway, I've got no pirate pegs now.
Pirate pegs?
Yes, proper ones. It's what we have. They're from my small.
Well, why don't you just go and buy normal pegs?
We don't have no... Listen to me! Let's get cracking! I need to see these pegs, we need to get them organised! Come on, I haven't got loads of time! Chop chop, pirate time!
Come on! For goodness sake!
Great, Lozzie! Let's have a look at these pegs. Here they are. Oh yeah. Great, we need to make these better. I can't peg the washing out with these. Too plain. Great, quick smart. I'm only going to tell you the one slightly. Great, hold it. The pegs need to look like that. You got it?
What, like pirates?
Pirates? Exactly. Make your own fun. Right, I'm off. I'm going to go and sort shorty sale situation.
Situation?
You're nosy, aren't you, child? Well, let me tell you, he's been caught with a canoe. A canoe? I've got 10 canoes, but that conversation is for another time. So, crack on with this, get it done, I'll be back in a bit. Thank you.
So do I. It's a bit scary, isn't it? It can be. Imagine hanging your washing on with them on a pirate ship. How funny! I love that! I know it's cool.
What time did you say it was coming?
Huh? In a while. Do you watch a bit of telly in the meantime?
Yes, that's a good idea. Come on, I'll get some sweets.
Okay then. What should we watch, Lozzie?
Pirate movie.
That's a good idea.
Just a sweet.
No thank you, not at the moment.
Come on, shift over. I'm not very comfy here.
Aren't you?
What's that? Oh.
It's a treasure chest. It's got jewels in it.
Where has that come from?
Wow. That is amazing. It's all jewels and coins. Hey, pirate treasure.
What are we going to do with it?
Oh. Open the door, quick. Hide it. Come on.
That was strange, wasn't it?
Nobody at the door.
No.
Very strange.
Well, at least we've got our treasure.
Yes, we are rich. Rich.
How's it gone?
Well,
It was definitely there. Someone's stolen it.
the door's open. The pigs have gone. Captain Crow. Ah, he's a pirate though, Lozzie. That's what pirates do. Maybe he saw through the window that we found the treasure and thought, I'll knock on the door and get them out of the room and I'll come and...
Where did the treasure come from, though? When someone's left it here and then they come back for it?
It's a mystery, the plot thickens. What are we going to do?
Eat sweets.
How is that helping?
Bye for now, boys and girls. It's been a stressful day.
Don't forget to subscribe.